This is good, guys, especially with like the extra hot sauce. It's just made and the lime. It just makes it more delicious. Hey YouTubers, it's your girl Delicious back with the delicious video. You already know. Hey, if you are new to my channel, please like, share, and make sure you subscribe. And if you already subscribed, make sure you turn on your notification button so every time I post, you will get a notification that I've came out with a new video. Now, if your subscribe button is red, that means you still haven't subscribed. Make sure you subscribe. As y'all can see, today is not a makeup video. Today we done a cooking, and I think it's called the Birria. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's called like the Birria tacos or something. I am a cooker, so I cooked all this. As you can see, we got the soup. This is the soup. Let me put this right here. And this is the tacos. These are the tacos. This is how they look like. Okay. I've never tried these before. This is my first time making them and first time trying them. So we're gonna go in. Look like that. Okay. This is the sauce that I made for it. Look at that. That looks so juicy. You see that? Okay. So we just dipped it in the sauce. Let's try this. Yes. This is awesome. Look at that. You see all that sauce in there? It actually tastes like the real ones where you would get from like a restaurant, you know? Why go to a restaurant and pay for like $1,000 for one when you could just make one at home, you know? This is good. You see that? It's all dripping. Okay, let me put this right here, okay? Mind you, you get messy with this. When you're eating this, it gets so messy. Do you see how it looks? I got some on my shirt, but that's fine. Because like I said, you do get messy with this. And today we're going to drink it off with some Simply Orange, mango. There we go. And we got some water on the side. And grapes. And this is like hot sauce. Okay. This is not a makeup video. I'm not doing a makeup video today. It's just all about eating these Birria tacos. I think I'm saying it right. They are so good. I feel like I'm at a restaurant because you know every time I cook my own food, and I love cooking at home. I feel like I'm at a restaurant every time. These are amazing. It's just, this is like the soup that I made with it. I don't know what it's called. Let me not even think about it. I forgot what it was called. Okay. So like we got like some beef in there. There's like beef in there, cheese, onions, and all the seasoning stuff that we used. This is amazing, guys. I really love this. I've never tried this, and this is good. It is awesome. What we're gonna do is just put some. We're gonna get this one. They're all falling apart now. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lime on there. Just like this. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of hot sauce in there. Extra hot, you know, so the soup is already malleed. Like it's not too hot, but it's malleed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fold it like this and dip it in the sauce. Look at that. Okay, we just dip it in the sauce just like this. This is very, very good. I don't even know what to say. I'm just in my own world. We done forgot about the grapes. Like, this is so good to the point where, like, I'm not even worried about the grapes. Like, that's how good this is. Okay. I honestly can eat this all day. So it did and does get really messy. It's not supposed to be a cute video. You'll get very messy eating this. So make sure you always got some napkins with you because it does get messy. Guys, we are almost up to 300 subscribers. Make sure your mama, your granddaddy, your aunt, your uncle, kids know and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Y'all are missing out. If you want to see how I made this birria tacos, that's going to be on a separate video. These grapes, huge as heck. Look at these grapes. Oh my Lord. These grapes are huge. They don't look huge in the camera. These grapes are huge. Like, who birthed you? Look. Huge. We got some Aquafina water. And we're just going to drink that off. This is too good. Who's scared of lime? Like, who's scared to eat lime or lemon alone itself? I'm not, because I love sour stuff. I love spicy stuff. And I eat it like it's nothing. With no effort. You see this? I don't peel the whole thing off. I love sour things. I really do. And that ain't nothing on there. Like, I done ate it off all. Now that dish was very delicious and I really, really loved it. That was very new for me and it tasted so different. It didn't taste like regular, normal tacos. It was extra, extra delicious. It was good. I would love to make more of that. We still got the grapes. I ain't gonna finish these grapes because them tacos, they took me. Sure. Thank you for watching. That was a very, very amazing, delicious dish. I would definitely make that again. If you are new to my channel, it has been delicious. Always with the delicious video. Okay? This video was new. There was nothing that had to do with makeup, none of that. It was all about me. And I ate them burritos. Woo! Them burritos. I said burritos. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. If your subscribe button is still red, that means you have not subscribed. So make sure it's great. Okay? Thank you for watching. And if you guys want to see more videos of what I cook, stay subscribed and hit the notification button so you can know whenever I post. Okay?